These are the 2 weeks that I spent in the rural villages of Maharashtra for my college fieldwork, and it felt like stepping into a completely different pace of life. We lived together, we worked together, and by the end, it turned into something so much more than just an academic journey. It was chaotic, exhausting, refreshing, and learning to adjust to a place that slowly started to feel familiar. So, here's a little recap of everything we saw, everything we felt, and everything that I don't want to forget. So, meeting this auntie was me being exposed to what I was going to be used to for the couple weeks. We were just walking by, and I spotted her with, her shades and her shirt and everything. And I knew she wanted to talk to me, so I just went up to her and I was like, can I take a photo? And she said yes, and then we started talking a lot, and we talked about her sheep, and we talked about the festival that was going on at the time, Ganesh Chaturthi. And yeah, we were just like giggling together, and none of us understood what any of us was saying. So yeah, that was how my first couple days ended. And then the next day was the first day that we were, supposed to be on field. So this is us.
अरे तुम बोलो चलो
ऑल द बेस्ट
कैसा लग रहा है
सबसे ज्यादा गंदा ग्रुप मेरा हो सकता था।
ये नहीं डालेगा कड़ी रिव्यू डालना
सॉरी सॉरी उठानी पड़ेगी, बाकी देखते हैं। और ये कैमरामैन जो है ना, इसको मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको। नमस्ते। और आप?
माझं नाव किया आहे
हाँ भाई, ये बोलोगी ना सोई घर के बाहर।
So every day we had to conduct our survey, which was the household consumption and expenditure survey, and we conducted it across the few villages around in this rural area in Maharashtra. And this was what our routine was every single day. This was the first time that we went out, so we would all have to be ready by like 8 a.m. We would have to head out in these jeeps, and this was like two groups in one jeep, and every group would go to a different household. That's how it worked. Villages that were allotted to our groups were 25 kilometers away, so every day we traveled so much up in these hills. We were serving the rural population of this country and of this state, and with these scenic views that we had, it was the most surreal experience that I've ever had. I don't think the normal student out there, the normal person out there is having this experience, so it's something so valuable. I cherished this a lot. The very beginning was very hard because we were just getting adjusted to it. It was something new for all of us. For what it was in the beginning, something so new and refreshing and surreal, but at the same time a very grounding experience, I would say. Day 4 of waking up in Sangamvir, and it is very extremely cold. Right now, this is the point where it's like everything's starting to get smoother. I don't know, I feel like I can personally see a shift in everyone's perspective. I do miss home because for the past 2 days I have been dreaming about my room. So that is sad. Even right now when I woke up, I thought I woke up in my room. By the way, it's Sunday and I can't believe we are working on a Sunday. I really want a chai right now. A chai would sort of take the edge off. Hi. So today was a great, successful day in regards to all the experiences we had. Right now, we have to present the idea of a case study. We have a lot of ideas, and every household that we go to, we feel like this is it, this is our study. Well, right now, I have arrived at this strange place right in front of our campus. I've actually not explored anything here. I kind of am scared that a leopard is gonna eat me alive. This is a beautiful place. I'll just sit here and think. The children here, the women here, those were the people that made this experience so rich for me. Rural life changes you, and just to see the hope that they live with, the happiness that they live with, just to see them be so happy with what they have, and the fact that I was aware that they don't have a lot of access to anything. Actually, they're not in contact with the world that we live in, and yet they're so content with what they have. I knew that when I would get back home, I would be changed. मिलिए इस अलबेले से, और ये अकेला अलबेला नहीं है, और भी काफ़ी अलबेले घूम रहे थे हर जगह, बिकॉज वी वर्क द asses off. If you've been thinking कि this trip looks a very delightful one, it was absolutely not. And in fact, I would say कि 90% of our time looked like this. Just working on our laptops, 100 things to be worried about. जितना भी data हमारे पास था surveys का, we had to clean all of that, enter all of that. So every night, all of us would be staying up till like 3 a.m. sometimes to do all of this work. And on top of that, behind the scenes, there's always a lot of drama going on. So by this point in time, I was definitely frustrated. I feel like हर चीज़ को बैठकर analyze करना might be a stretch sometimes. Sometimes you just need to absorb what is and let it be as it is. You don't always need to be thinking about changing everything. Like, sure, I get it. If humans take charge, they can drastically bring, changes in any system or institution or, any community. It's not required in every context. I do realize that I'm being so harsh when I say this, but everything is sort of an ecosystem. That's very bad for me to be here and sort of just defy the reason that I came here. I feel like when I came here, I was so involved in everything, I had completely forgotten about my life back home. And then now, it's been a week. Now I've started to remember my life back home again. Alright.
बिहारी नहीं करोगे ही
बताओ
अरे क्या बताने का बाबा इसमें अभी क्या कांदा है और भिंडी लगाए उधर
भिंडी
हाँ चना नहीं सोयाबीन आता है कभी कभी
इसमें तो कई बार निकलता हूँ।
एक्स की लेफ्ट लेटर डाल दो इसमें।
जो संजीव जी है वो आज लॉन्च इन 2022-23
flagship social welfare programs which government of India has started.
This, but it's just a very small.
Education and caste discrimination से बनता है, तो education access पर होता है.
It is the day to leave this place. It is 8 a.m. We are leaving today. It has been such a fun time being here. I felt a lot of things here. Sometimes I felt so bad being here. But I feel like I'm gonna just leave that here. I'm so happy to go back, but I'm also very sad to leave this place.
हो गया एग्जॉस्टिंग था मैं तो हो गया भाई दुनिया से डन हूँ मेरा बाय बाय